Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm really excited to try out the Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. And I got this in my November 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X, which if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got. I got so many products in that box. I got this in the shade Honor, and it's actually the clear shade. And this actually comes in a bunch of different shades, so I'm kind of bummed that the shade that I got is the clear shade because I love a tinted lip balm. In general, I love a lip balm because I have very dry, chapped lips, and my lips right now are maybe the most chapped they've ever been before I've tried out a lip product. Like, they are peeling, they look terrible. So I'm really hopeful that this lip balm will be great for my extremely dry lips. It retails for $16. You can get it at Sephora. It doesn't necessarily have like the best ratings, which is kind of a bummer, but it's a clean formula, vegan. It has nourishing ingredients in it like shea butter, lotus, gardenia, white water lily to cushion lips while building color so they look fuller and healthier. Which sounds like exactly what I want in my lip balm. And I do think $16 is very expensive for a lip balm. The packaging on this is very nice and it does seem luxurious, but I definitely think that lip balms are definitely a type of makeup product that you do not have to spend a lot of money on. You can find amazing lip balms at the dollar store, but I got this for a great deal in my Ipsy X, so let's see how it is. This does have a slight nice smell to it, but it's very faint. I can't even really tell exactly what it is. If it's fruity or vanilla, but that's not necessarily a bad thing, even though I do love when my lip products do have a nice scent to them. But I just want this to work. I want it to heal my extremely dry lips, so let's find out. Ooh, I do really like the surprisingly soft balm formula that just really glides right onto the lips. It didn't catch on the dry areas of my lips, if that makes sense. Like, it didn't cling to them, it just smooths right on. It's a really nice texture. I was surprised about how much it glides on and how soft it is, so that's really nice. And you know what? Even though I couldn't really smell like the fragrance, I can kind of taste it, which I don't love. Like, it, yeah. The more I'm talking, it's not even like it's really in my mouth, but I can taste a floral fragrance. Oh, it tastes like such a strong fragrance, but it doesn't smell like it. Weird. So that odd taste definitely throws me off. And I'm not usually thrown off by fragrant tastes to products. Like, it usually doesn't bother me. So this is pretty extreme. I wonder if anyone else notices that. If you do, please let me know. I want to know if I'm alone in how weird. It's like a taste smell. So weird. And I'm just waiting for my lips to get hydrated. I keep rubbing my lips together and they're not getting hydrated. Like, they have this balm coating on top of them, but the dry texture is still so there. You can still see so many dry patches on my lips. Maybe it is a good thing I got the clear shade, or else my lips would look even more textured. I don't know, because this did not hydrate. Like, it put a layer over my dry lips, but it did not deeply moisturize at all. I feel like this lip balm is like made for lips that are not dry. But if you don't have dry lips, you're probably not really putting lip balm on, and it doesn't really have shine to it. It really doesn't do anything beneficial for my lips. I am shocked right now and so bummed and that terrible taste is still so prevalent. It's like I got soap in my mouth or something. I don't know why I keep rubbing my lips together and hoping that all the dry patches are gonna go away, because they're not with this balm. Wow. Unfortunately for me, this was a big failure. And I'm so surprised because I've heard so many great things about Rare Beauty. I love Selena Gomez, but this product is just not it. I'm like choking on the taste right now. But $16 too, for a product that didn't even work or do anything for my dry lips. My goodness. Oh well, now I know, but I'm so curious to hear everyone else's thoughts. I'm surprised that this had even as high of a rating as it did on Sephora, and it doesn't have a great rating, but I think it would deserve even less than that. Oh man. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.